Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. Romanian adjectives can have one or two endings. These endings, or inflections, distinguish between number and gender, but there are also adjectives that don't distinguish at all between either gender or number. Here are a few examples of adjectives with two endings, depending on gender and number. Let's take the word good. Masculine singular, bun. Bun. Masculine feminine, bună. Bună. Masculine plural, buni. Buni. Feminine plural, bune. Bune. Adjectives with one ending are also known as adjectives with singular e ending. Let's take the word cold. Masculine and feminine singular, rece. Rece. Masculine and feminine plural, reci. Reci. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.